Hello, a German crash course. Today we're going to talk about the cases, in the whole. The first, what is a case? A case is a relationship between noun and pronoun and other words in a sentence. It's one of the easiest way to explain it. Well, first of all, I think you know, or probably not, it doesn't matter, that there are four cases in German language, and they are nominative case. It's a subject of a sentence. Subject of a sentence. Accusative case. Accusative case. It's a direct object of a sentence. Direct object of a sentence. Dative case. Dative case in direct object of a sentence, and genitive case. Genitive case, it's a possessive. So, there are two articles in German language, definite and indefinite, the same like in English, Let's take a look at the chart, how they behave according to the gender, according to the case, Here we're let's take a look in definite article. It will be ein. And there are three genders in German language. Masculine, feminine, and then neutral. Okay. Here will be ein, eine, ein. Accusative case. Einen. The same. Eine, ein. Okay? The next. Dative case. Einem. You see? I. Na. Einem. Okay, and the genitive case. Eines. I. Na. On the last one, eines. Okay, it's for the indefinite articles. Ein. Now let's take a look at the definite articles. Der. Der, die, das. Okay, I'm going to write down here, okay? Well, one more time. Let's take nominative, accusative, dative, and the genitive case. Well, for the masculine, let's take a look. Der, die, das. And here we are going to have plural, Plural. Like in English, we don't use indefinite article er with the plural, In German, it happens the same. We don't use indefinite article ein with plural, but we have definite article for the plural. In German will be der, die, das und die. Okay? Die. The next accusative case. Den, die, das und die. Okay? Dative case. Dem, der, dem, dem. Okay? And the last, genitive. Des, der, des und der. Okay. How to remember this chart for the definite articles. Now I'm going to give you mnemonic, acronym, Let's take the last letter of every definite articles and we will see what we will have. Okay, take a look, please. It's a mnemonic, and it's really easy to remember this. I think especially when you are just start learning German. Okay, what you should remember for the nominative case, you should learn the word rese, nese, mon, you see, and so, you know, so. Well, one more time. To remember the chart with definite articles, the does, and for the plural, the, just take the last letter of every definite article and what we have. Rese, nese, mon, so. You see? If you remember this, I think it won't be problem to you which and how the article changes according to the cases. Okay? Well, one more time. There are 4 articles, 4 cases in German language. Accusative is a subject. Nominative is a subject. Accusative is a direct object. Dative case is indirect object, and the genitive case is a possessive. Okay, there are 2 articles, indefinite and definite articles, like in German, like in English. Here we have a chart for indefinite articles, and here I have a chart for the definite articles. To remember this chart, it's not difficult if you learn the next chart. Mnemonic, yeah? Rese, nese, mon, sur. Well, and remember that every adjective, pronoun, and the noun are declined in German language. Well, when you start learning German, I think it probably can be confused. Well, but don't worry, because you are learning English step by step. You are getting used to it. So I think it won't be a problem to use either case or any article. Well, okay. Thank you for watching. Listen to me. Have a nice day. Bye.